Bonjour à tous. Good morning to all of you. Je m'appelle Himanshu et je suis the professeur de français. My name is Himanshu and I am French professor. In this video, we are going to continue with our phonetics series of French second part. So let us start. On commence. The next sound which we have to learn in French is UI, which gives OUI sound in French. Examples: Je suis, S will be silent. I am, nuit, night, puis, then, ensuite, ensuite, then. Next sound is TION and SSION. Both of this give sion sound. In most of the cases, you will find TION is oftenly used, but SSION is rarely used. Let us practice. Natation, swimming. Préparation, preparation. Réputation, réputation, reputation. Négation, negation. Nation, nation. Articulation, articulation. Les conditions, the conditions. La prononciation, la prononciation, the pronunciation. Next sound is EN, EM, AN and AM. All of this give O sound. Examples: ventilator, ventilator, which means fan. 30, 30. Rentrer, to come. 100, 100. Lentement, lentement, slowly. Mentir, mentir, to lie. Vent, wind. Ensemble, ensemble, together. Longtemps, 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 long time. Few more examples. Blanc, white. Blanche, white as a feminine. Pendant, pendant, during. Enchanté, enchanté, delighted. Plante, plant. Chambre, bedroom. Here is an exercise for pronunciation. Let me read it fast and then slowly. Pendant ce temps, 30 éléphants blancs marchent ensemble longtemps dans les champs pendant longtemps. Pendant ce temps, 30 éléphant blanc marche ensemble lentement dans les champs pendant longtemps. Meaning is, during that time, thirsty white elephants are walking together slowly in the fields for a long time. Next sound is AI, which gives A sound. Examples: la laine, the wool; le balai, the broom; j'ai, I have; faire, to do; je t'aime, je t'aime, I love you; je parlerai, I will talk; je parlerai, I would talk. Next is ILL sound, which gives year sound. Example: une famille, a family; une fille, a girl or a daughter; une bille, a marble; un papillon, a butterfly; une aiguille, a needle; un brouillon, a rough piece of paper. ILL also gives L sound, which are exception cases. Examples: une ville, town; une village, village; mille, thousand; million, million; milliard, billion; tranquille, quiet. So that's all about French sounds. The videos I made in two parts. I request, if in case you have not watched the first part of learning diphthongs and sounds of French, go through to that. And I hope you have liked this lecture. To learn French right from the beginning till A1 and A2 level, you can either WhatsApp me or call me on this number. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.